The convenience of online shopping is great, but a personalized experience is even better. Hey, I'm Norm from UPLIFT Desk. You may have heard of us from social media or your favorite content creators. We are the name in standing desk. Not only can you buy from us online, but did you know that we have physical showrooms? I'm here at our flagship location in Austin, Texas, and I'm here to see what the showroom experience is all about. Come on in. I'm here with Natalie, our showroom lead. Natalie, what can customers expect when coming into the showroom?
Personalization is really what you're going to see. That's what the showroom is about. As soon as you walk in, you'll be greeted by friendly staff who will work with you to assess your situation if you're just shopping for yourself or if you're trying to outfit an entire office. Lots of options when you come into the showroom.
And what kind of options are we talking?
I'm talking about like multiple different frame options, desk sizes, accessories, seating, like you name it. As soon as you walk into the showroom, you're gonna see this beautiful desktop wall that you can see that we offer up to 30 plus desktop styles. There's gonna be lots to really wrap your head around, especially if you are looking through our website, but coming into the showroom is really gonna streamline your buying experience with us.
And is there anything the customer should bring with them?
So coming into the showroom is really going to allow you to see and touch the products and really help you visualize your space. So if you're actually dead set on really what you are needing, measurements will definitely help us pick the perfect size for you. And then also photos. Again, personalization is really big for us. We just want to make sure that we are matching the aesthetic that you are looking for within your space.
Now, we're in Austin, but we also have a showroom in Chicago. What can customers do if they don't live in those areas and can't stop by and get that personalized experience?
Absolutely. So if you can't actually stop by to any of our showrooms, then you can reach our lovely customer service team by phone or email. They're definitely going to be giving you the best experience as if you were coming into the showroom face to face. Incredible.
Really going above and beyond for the customer. Well, there you have it. If you need help deciding what fits best in your space, come on down to our showroom at 1848 Ferguson Ln, Austin, Texas, or get in contact with our best-in-class customer support team so they can fix you right up. I've been Norm with UPLIFT Desk. See y'all next time.